Welcome back to StarrSoaps channel. Today I'm going to make Bird of Paradise soap with some different colours all swirled together, and I'm using the Bird of Paradise fragrance oil. So it should be fun and lots of prettiness, and I'm going to be doing a very standard recipe because I don't want anything to go awry. I want to be able to swirl and play. So fingers crossed. Let's go make Bird of Paradise soap. I'm just adding a super fat now, 35 grams of cocoa butter, which is 5% of my base oils. And if you don't really understand what a super fat is, if you're not a soaper and you're just watching this out of fun, a super fat just means added moisturising to your soap. So this is just the first mix that I'm doing like this, and then I go through with the spatula and give it a really good mix to make sure I got up all of the mica from the bottom. Don't know if it makes me think of the Bird of Paradise plant, but it's pretty and fruity. We had a Bird of Paradise plant that is, at the house that I lived in growing up. So I remember the flowers, and I don't think they had much of a smell at all. So when I was trying to get inspiration for the soap, I went and had a look at some different images of Bird of Paradise online. And I found the birds of paradise singing their song, and it was gorgeous. My back's hurting again, guys. I'm just getting a chair to sit down. Teresa, if you're watching, you'll feel for me, my darling soapy friend. So the idea with my design is to pretty much use up all of each colour. I'll save back a little bit for the top, but mostly all of it's going to go in, and then I'll do a bit of a swirl, and the swirl's been inspired by a woman named Sandra. I'm not going to even try to pronounce her surname, sorry, but her company is Soap Oro. That's the name of her company. And I think that she's got the coolest swirls. I've been admiring her photographs on the Soaping 101 study hall. If you look at a photograph of the bird of paradise plant, it varies, but it tends to have these very vibrant blues and very vibrant reds and yellows. And I wanted to try to honour that, if you will, with this soap. Here goes the azure blue. I'm sort of hoping that when I do my design, my design is like filling up the whole thing. It was supposed to be this little thing in the middle. I have absolutely no idea how that's going to work out, but hey. So that is what the final soap looks like. I can't wait to cut it. I hope it looks awesome on the inside too. That's my Bird of Paradise soap. Okay, hi guys, back again now with the Bird of Paradise soap, and it's been unmolded, and as you can see I've put in something along the edge to give it a pattern. So now I have to go ahead and pull that away, and I hope it works because it looks like it's really embedded in there. So wish me luck. Okay, I want to do this so you can see. Do So lift it up so you can see this, because this is cool. Look at this. Ooh, so pretty. There's quite a bit of soap on that too. As you can see, it has left a dent down here, sadly, on the side of the loaf. Never mind. Okay, so now I'm going to try and do this other side. Just start it here. This is the bit I did off camera. Starting it, because I don't want to damage the other side. Here we go. And watch me pull it and reveal the beautiful daisy pattern. Woo! Now that that's worked, I would like to reveal to you all what I used. I can show you. It was a placemat that I bought at a cheap store for $1, and I just cut it to fit my mould. Cool, eh? Let's cut the soap. Interesting pattern. It's a daisy, Sniffy Slide.